Hello students, have a nice day. Welcome to online class from Blue Stars Higher Secondary School. This is the class for 3rd standard and subject English. Students, today we are going to do book back exercise from Unit 3, the lesson The Enormous Turnip. You have already learnt in your previous class. So today we are going to do book back exercise from that lesson. Okay. So first take your English textbook and take page number 28. Okay. So first part, name and draw 4 vegetables that have to be pulled out from earth. Now name them in your own language. So here in this question, name and draw 4 vegetables that have to be pulled out from the earth. So you have name them your language. Okay. So the 4 vegetables are potato, carrot, beetroot and radish. Okay. And the next part, next question, how many vegetables can you find in this maze? Draw a circle around each word. One has been done for you. So here you have to find out the vegetables that you can see here. Okay. So one has been done for you. And some pictures are given for you, vegetable pictures. So you have to find this maze. So first picture, carrot. So circle carrot, peas, beans, turnip, tomato, and last one, potato. Okay. In page number 30, you have a game of opposites. Okay. The entire class can be divided into 2 groups, where one group says one word and the second group says the opposite word. Okay. So here some words are given to you and you have to tell the opposite words of these words. Okay. So group 1 and group 2. For example, pull, push, black, white, true, false, right, wrong. Okay. So this is how the game goes on. Some words are suggested here. You may pick up some more words from the lesson. So some other opposites are for, near, good, bad, dark, light, up, down, old, young. So this is the activity. Read this method and do it yourself. Okay. And next question, how do you like to eat these vegetables? Raw or cook? Say why. Okay. So in this question, you have to tell whether you like to eat them in raw form or after cooking. Okay. So first one, carrot. So most of us prefer to eat it in a raw form. Okay. So this is how we have to write this exercise. Name 4 vegetables you ate last week. Write the names here. Okay. So you have to write the vegetable which you ate last week. So this is a sample answer. You may write your own answer. For example, carrot, beans, onion, brinjal. Complete these columns. So you have to write the plurals of some vegetable. Okay. So carrot, carrots. So more than one carrot, we call them carrots. Okay. And then last part, one word in each of the following sets is different from the others. Circle the odd one out. Okay. So you have to find the word which does not matches with other words in this question, and you have to circle it out. Okay. So first one, turnip, potato, tomato, sunflower, carrot and brinjal. So clue is vegetable. So turnip, potato, tomato, carrot, brinjal, these all are vegetables, but sunflower is a flower. Okay. So this is how you have to do your exercise. Okay. Use pencil to do your book back exercise. Thank you.